Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. Today we're going to look at Celgene, which is a biotechnology stock, one of the big ones. And the stock actually looks very good here for the time being, and much in contrary to the broader market, which, as I have laid out over the past couple of weeks, that I do think has topped out or is very close to having topped out. So let's have a quick look at the IBB, which is of course the Nasdaq Biotechnology Index Fund. IBB is the ticker symbol, and you can see basically after a lot of volatility here, where investors have been taking on more swings than a playground so far this year, the index actually found good support at 200-day moving average in April and has bounced ever since. Over the past couple of days, the IBB has bounced quite nicely, and you can see visibly here we have a wedging pattern here, which has now broken out, at least as of this writing, broke out the day prior. And that, of course, leads me to look a little bit closer underneath the surface in biotech. And one of the stocks that I came across here is Celgene. Celgene has a very, very tight pattern here. You can see through a technical lens. Also, very interesting. Also interesting is like that it actually broke quite nicely below the 200-day moving average here at the April lows, then worked its way back up, which shows the sort of strength that's in this stock, but also says that the 200-day moving average actually isn't all that important for the stock at this moment. So that's important to understand for future references. For the time being, though, Celgene continues to look good here. We have this sort of bull flag or wedging pattern that's developed basically over the past month and a half or so. Very simply, you can see this pattern too has broken out, or it continues to break out at least marginally so far. 50-day moving average, yellow line, has broken past its 100 and the 200-day moving averages back in early July already, so it's only about time for the stock, if it was going to make a move, to start making a move now towards the upside. I think something like the low to mid 90s here is not out of the question. Important to understand, though, is that we still are working, like I said before, in a broader stock market that's, through a cyclical lens, looks to be going through a topping phase. So if and when that this broader stock market starts to or decides to flip the reverse gears in reverse, then I would suspect that biotechnology will have a hard time too. For now, from a trading point of view, this looks like a pretty good setup for a bit of a move higher in the near term. Hope this makes sense, guys. As always, you got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.